everybody, welcome to Techno Guy Game Guard, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to make a simple and useful program in Python which will count the number of words in any text you type. So this is going to be really useful and interesting. So what you do is you just type your text into a variable and as a string, and this program will count the number of words in it for you. So take for instance, you have a project to submit and there's a word limit for it. That's when this program is really useful for you. Alright, so it's quite simple, and we will be using two new functions to make this program today. The len function, which counts the number of characters or words in the text, and the dot split command to split the text into separate words. Alright, so we can start that, and I will just show you what the len command does. So if you see normal text and the proper functions over here have a different color, this is purple and this is black, so the len command is a specific function. So what if I want to know the number of letters in a certain text, say technology. Alright, so I know that the number of letters is 10. So I just want to know that, so I can use the len function to determine the number of letters in the word technology. So if I just print that out, it will return 10. I'll just test that, and it returns 10. Alright, so the len command is a really useful function, and we'll be using that in this program. Alright, so we can just take that out. We can start by asking the user to type his text over here. Alright, so text is gonna be a string input. It can also be really long, so I will just give the special word input here, which tells the compiler to take input from the user for that certain line, and I will just say, please type your text here. Or I think it is a lot better to take the input in the next line. So I will just print over here, please enter your text here. Alright, so the input will be taken over here, and it might be as long as 500 words. Alright, so what we do next is redefine the text variable equals text.split. Again, the dot split command is used to split the text into separate words. So it's under text modifier in Python. So I have redefined the variable text as text.split, and after that I am going to print the number of words in your text is, and I am going to print. Before that, I will just define a variable here, nice and quick. So I'll just define number of words is gonna be equal to len text.split. Yes, so that will return the number of words in the text variable, so we don't need this redefinition again. Alright, so that is our code, and what we're doing first is defining the text variable here. And always guys, remember that the variable should be assigned before doing any operation with the variable. So if I have this before this, then it will return an error. Alright, so that is our input over there, and that's the number of words, which will be the length of text.split. Yeah, alright, and finally we are going to print the number of words. Okay, I'll just sum it up. So first we are printing please enter your text here, then I'm going to take the input from the user, which is the text, as a string, and after that I'm defining a variable, number of words equals length text.split, and finally I'm going to print the number of words in your text is and number of words. Just 5 lines of code is really powerful. We can run that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some dummy text from the web, that lorem ipsum code for 2 paragraphs. These. I'm going to copy that. I've just visited loremipsum.io, which can generate random dummy text like this. I copy the whole thing and I paste it here. Whoa, that's really long. And I'm going to hit enter, and it says the number of words in your text is 156. Amazing. So it works really good. Amazing. So this is our word count calculator, and it's really accurate and amazing, and it is quite powerful. It can be used in many fields, and it is really versatile. Alright, so it was quite simple with just 2 new functions. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my videos, and give this video a like. Alright guys, have a good day and goodbye.